Your plane leaves in 2 hours.
You don't know what to say at the airport.
Don't worry, we can help.
Hello, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Welcome to English Cast Duo.
Today we practice airport English.
100 sentences.
Simple, slow, clear.
For A1 and B1 level learners.
We will go through 5 parts.
Part 1 at check-in.
Part 2 at security.
Part 3 at the gate.
Part 4 on the plane.
Part 5 at arrival.
Listen to each sentence carefully.
Then repeat it out loud.
Say it slowly, say it clearly.
Are you ready?
Let's go to the airport.
Part 1 at the check-in counter.
You arrive at the airport. You need to check in.
Listen to each sentence, then repeat it.
I would like to check in, please.
Here's my passport.
I have 1 bag to check.
My bag weighs 20 kilograms.
Can I have a window seat?
I prefer an aisle seat, please.
My flight number is AB123.
I'm flying to New York.
Here is my booking confirmation.
Can I check in my bag here?
Good job. Let's continue.
How much is the extra baggage fee?
I have a connecting flight.
What time does my flight board?
Which gate is my flight?
Can I have my boarding pass now?
I need a vegetarian meal, please.
I'm traveling with my family.
My bag is too heavy.
Can I pay for extra baggage?
Thank you very much for your help.
Great work. You finished part 1.
Now let's move to part 2, security.
Part 2. At the security checkpoint.
Security can feel a little stressful.
But these sentences will help you.
Listen carefully, then repeat.
Please put your items in the tray.
Remove your shoes, please.
Please take out your laptop.
Do I need to take out my liquids?
I have a small bottle of water.
Please walk through the scanner.
Can you please check my bag again?
What is inside your bag?
I have my phone and my charger.
You cannot bring this through security.
Good. Let's keep going.
Please step aside for 1 moment.
I need to check your bag.
Is this your bag?
Yes, this is my bag.
Do I need to remove my belt?
Please hold your arms out to the side.
The alarm went off.
I have a medical device.
I am sorry for the trouble.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
Excellent. Part 2 is done.
Let's go to the gate. Part 3.
Part 3. At the gate.
You have your boarding pass. Now you wait.
These sentences will help you at the gate.
Listen and repeat.
Excuse me. Where is gate 14?
Is this the right gate for my flight?
When does boarding begin?
Boarding starts in 30 minutes.
Can I board the plane now?
We're now boarding all passengers.
Please, have your boarding pass ready.
This is a full flight today.
May I see your boarding pass, please?
Please scan your ticket here.
You are doing great. Let's continue.
I cannot find my gate.
Can you help me find my gate?
My flight is delayed.
How long is the delay?
My flight has been canceled.
I need to change my flight.
Is there a cafe near the gate?
Where is the nearest bathroom?
Can I charge my phone here?
Attention, passengers. The gate has changed.
Well done. 3 parts are done.
Now let's get on the plane. Part 4.
Part 4. On the plane.
You are on the plane. Exciting.
These sentences will help you talk to the crew and other passengers.
Listen and repeat.
Excuse me? I think this is my seat.
Can I put my bag in the overhead bin?
Is this seat taken?
Can I move to another seat?
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Can I have a blanket, please?
Can I have some water, please?
I would like the chicken, please.
I am vegetarian. Do you have a vegetarian option?
Can I have more juice, please?
You were speaking English on a plane. Amazing.
Where is the bathroom on this plane?
How long is this flight?
When do we land?
I feel a little sick.
Can I have a sick bag, please?
Please turn off your electronic devices.
Please put your seat in the upright position.
We are now beginning our descent.
Please stay in your seat until we land.
Thank you for flying with us today.
You can do this.
Part 5. Arrival.
Part 5. You have arrived.
Now you need to get through the airport.
These last sentences will help you arrive with confidence.
Say each one slowly and clearly.
We have landed. Welcome to your destination.
Please follow the signs to immigration.
Excuse me, where is baggage claim?
I need to collect my luggage.
My bag has not arrived yet.
I think my bag is lost.
I need to report a lost bag.
This is my bag. I can see it.
Where is the customs area?
Do you have anything to declare?
I have nothing to declare.
I have some gifts from my family.
How long will you stay in the country?
I will stay for 1 week.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for tourism.
Welcome to our country. Enjoy your stay.
Where can I find a taxi?
How do I get to the city center?
I made it. I am finally here.
100 sentences. Done.
You practiced airport English today.
Check-in, security, the gate, the plane, arrival.
You are ready for your next trip.
Practice again tomorrow.
The more you repeat, the more confident you become.
Tell us in the comments.
Have you ever traveled by plane?
Or is your first flight coming soon?
Write your answer below. We want to know.
If this video helped you, please share it.
Share it with a friend who is learning English.
And subscribe to English Cast Duo.
New videos every week.
I'm Mia.
I'm Alex.
See you next time.